Welcome to Shutterland. We're helping you find the ideal exterior shutters for your project is our top priority. We'll introduce you to the different construction materials, highlighting their unique characteristics and differences so you can confidently identify one that best suits your needs. You'll then be able to select a shutter style that complements your home's aesthetic from a full range of designs. Pairing the two will result in a shutter built with custom configurations and specifications for your particular needs. With access to detailed step-by-step video instruction, you will have the knowledge and ability to accurately measure each window to determine the correct shutter size to order. We offer a full spectrum of standard colors and custom finishes for each material, allowing you to perfectly coordinate with your home's facade. After an order is placed, the shutters are built and finished precisely to your specifications. When production is complete, the shutters are shipped directly to your front door. Our installation videos will guide you through each stage of the project to ensure your shutters are mounted correctly for optimal performance year after year. The Shutterland website is user-friendly with up-to-date information and specifications, vivid pictures, and instant pricing. Most questions can be answered online. If additional assistance is necessary, our professional and knowledgeable staff will be happy to discuss your specific concerns. With exterior shutters installed on thousands of homes nationwide, and with hundreds of Google reviews, the Shutterland experience is truly second to none. Whether your project is large or small, we're here to help. Visit Shutterland.com to access all of these resources to make an informed decision.